girl, hey. So apparently some of my intro footage got deleted. So here I am putting on Olaplex number 3 as treatment for my color. And then I do this beforehand because one, it saves me money. I don't have to pay for this treatment at the hair salon. Shout out to my stylist for letting me know that you know, I could just come to the hair salon with this already on, because she suggested that I get this for the color. And I can honestly say, I don't know if y'all saw my, when I got my hair cut and colored, I'll insert that in the video. I'll put a little thing at the top, somewhere here or there, you know, so you can watch that video. But this is the first time I've dyed my hair blonde, and it didn't break off. Like, I had my hair dyed blonde before years ago in high school. Oh, I'll probably insert a photo. I mean, my 12th grade, okay, with my pressing curl, not pressing curl, I had perms back then. Yeah, 12th grade, I still had perms. But anyway, it was a wrap style. Okay, leave this on there. It takes me about, what am I saying? About 35 minutes to get to my hair salon. So by the time, you know, this will sit while I'm in the car and all of that stuff.
To the salon!
Yeah, that's right. It's on velocity.
Our pre-detangling with their Olaplex number 3. Somebody lost their big detangling. So I had extra work just for today.
Just a little bit.
Shampoo always typically doesn't lather as much, especially when you got like a lot of product buildup. It's like shampoo.
Yes, the one that used to do her hair.
Yeah, getting all those.
Where is he at?
Taken to the dirt molecule.
Did he hear it? He said to
Smells
me.
amazing. It smells like
And she
baking
didn't
some
come.
cookies.
Yeah,
I just wait for it to pop out of your
Oh, I
hair.
think my mom's gonna come. She's not gonna come. And she was like, no, like maybe she probably should.
Hydrating on the hair.
And then, like,
The conditioner you can use as a leave-in. Instead, you don't even have to rinse. But I'm gonna tangle with it, and then I'm gonna.
I guess it was like touch and go.
I'm not gonna rinse it all the way out. I'm gonna leave a little bit on there for the.
Why should get my hair? You know, it's just crazy like that.
So, she said you can use it as a leave-in too, like the conditioner. Itching anywhere in particular today?
Just the,
Over here?
yes, right there. Insomnia cookie. They got this vegan cookie.
Like a Snicker.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah.
That's exactly what it smells like.
Now it's for the insert. So we're experimenting on detachable. That was one struggle on here, but I got Baby, when I use the phone and everything. Right on line with the clothes. That's it, she nailed it. So that people will buy it. She got cameras. Child, my hair be smelling right there all day long. All day long. I can do my hair on an empty stomach. It can make you hungry. It does. Yes, it does. Reminded me I need to cook these potatoes so I can make some happen. Oh, energy balls.
Since it was late and I was tired, y'all, I think she was done around 7:30 or so. I just decided to put on my satin bonnet, which I was gifted. Thank you again, Donna's Recipe. I decided to put that on because, you know, it gets darker earlier. And I needed one more good night's sleep because once these curls come out, I'll be sleeping like a pretty, pretty princess. Hey, y'all. So it's 2 days later and I'm going to take down my twist. Testing out the Tabitha Brown's newest whipped vanilla cream collection. And I'm going to take them down using my Donna's Recipe hair strength oil. Here we go. We in the frame now. I love this stuff. Okay, you can tell I'm an oldie but goodie because they don't even make it in the glass bottles anymore. Okay. And this one is running out. I'm going to have to get another one. I will say, I love how my hair feels. It doesn't feel crunchy or anything like that. My stylist used the gel, the mousse. She used the heat protecting. We used everything except the edge control. And I may use it now. I'm not a big fan of edge control because one, my edges are very stubborn. And number two, most edge controls, they normally flake and I don't like flaking. I'm like, just give me a little bit of beads. I could take a little bit of the flake. Okay, but my edges, it's very, very stubborn. Sometimes no matter how much gel you put on, it just curls right back up. So let me get my pink so we can fluff her out. This is day 1 hair. As I said earlier, I kept it twisted for 2 days because one, I got out the hair salon around 7 something, and I know I was going to bed. So I was like, it don't make sense to take it out. So, and I didn't go anywhere yesterday. But it's Friday. It is Black Girl Day off. I hope y'all took the day off. Okay. Well, it won't be when you're watching this, but still, I hope y'all took the day off and did something to celebrate yourself. Oh, look at that, look at that. Inches coming through. I'm just picking my hair out. Because bigger the better. Okay, I'm really not a fan. I just love how she is moving. Okay. All right. Donna's recipe, y'all did it. It feels so good. And we used the Donna's recipe shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. I had a regular conditioner, but I forgot it here. But my stylist, Marisa, did a little rinse out thing because I think it said on leave-in you can rinse it out if you want to. I love that leave-in. I use that all the time because my hair gets very, very dry. So sometimes I'll even just come and mist it with some water. Got my little water right here on the recipe. You don't see that? I'll mist it and then I'll put some leave-in conditioner in it. I love the leave-in. But curls is popping. But I'm just trying to pick it at, it just feels so light. Pick it at the root. Because I'm on a mission team to grow my hair out. But yeah, she feels really good. And I can't wait as the days go by. She's going to get bigger and bigger, but Miss Tabitha Brown, Miss Gina, thank y'all for sending me that. So grateful to be a winner. Okay. Go out in these streets. Looking like royalty, royalty. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and all the things if you want to see my look tonight. I might have to go back and see the look. I love how my hair feels out. She is bouncing around. Bouncy, bouncy. All right, I don't want to fluff too much and then start to get freeze. Like a nice little medium. I like this part in the middle. I can't put the part in the middle. I gotta learn how to flat twist, yo. Hairstylists be laughing at me. I know how to cornrow, but I do not know how to flat twist. So when I first get my hair done, I kind of stick like a pretty princess. And then when it starts to get too big, then I'll just twist it. But it never looks the same because I don't know how to flat twist. But there we are. There we are. I'm loving it. She just feels so good.